What up, my rapper gang? We're back. Better than ever, and I'm gonna help you get better than ever too. Workflow in music is the #1 most important thing when it comes to writing, recording, and finishing songs. Yeah. And this is going to upgrade and evolve your workflow to, well, Rob's level. Shut up, I had to say it, right? Okay, have you ever been working on music and then something interrupts you, something slows you down, you have to do this or that until you can do the next thing, and then now you have to do this other thing that took 30 seconds to do, and it just kills that vibe when you're creating music. So you stop and now great, right? Now you have another song that's only 30% done, and that goes into the back catalog of all the other dozens to maybe hundreds of songs that you've started but you've never finished.
Come on now, dawg.
Well, you've been there. I've been there. I think most artists have been there, and that's why this video exists. I'm gonna have to get over that today with some extreme things that has taken me 10 plus years to learn and that I use on a daily basis when I work on music, okay? Now, not completing songs is probably a huge reason that you don't have more music fans right now and that you don't have a more thriving music career, okay? Bet you could agree with me. Would you agree with me? I'm sure you're gonna say yes, right?
Yeah.
This is going to eradicate that problem for you, okay? Workflow makes sure that you never lose your vibe. The better your workflow, the faster you move process to process from writing and recording to finishing a song without ever losing that creative energy and vibe that makes you as a person and you as a music artist so unique, okay? So I'm gonna show you those secrets. I'm gonna show you those tips and tricks that I've learned, created, and taught myself and had a huge, oh my God, aha moments over the last 10 plus years. Let's get into it. You're gonna learn things that you will probably never learn anywhere else, especially since I created a lot of these strategies and these tricks myself. Let's get into it. You about to get smarter right after the intro.
Did a lot of bad knowledge shit I can't say. It's probably why God put these problems in my damn way. Whoa, whoa, yes, pause for everything. Ay, I swear to God, look at me. Pause for everything. Yeah, pause for everything. Yeah, I'm from the South Side, Chicago, where they known the pop lit.
All right, let's get into quick tip #1 of this series. I'm just gonna get the easiest one out of the way, okay? And everybody should have this. I have to mention it because it's the one you gotta know, right? The #1 most important thing that's just gonna make everything easier for your workflow is just already have a template that is already good to go. #1 is gonna pre-mix your song so it sounds amazing. The reverb set, the delays, the compressors, the EQs is set perfectly for your music, your voice, and your style, custom to you. So if you've already mixed and mastered a song, stop starting with a fresh template, bring that in. Not every song's gonna sound the same, but it'll already sound pre-mixed when you're recording, which will give you more confidence when you're making the song, okay? And if you set it up right to help you write and record songs, this means that you're gonna keep your vibe longer and lose your creativity way less. It's common sense, right? Okay? Make sure that the color coders, you can tell what they are. Make sure you name them and make sure that you have the necessary tracks ready for your hook, for your harmonies, for your vocals, for your verse, for your voiceovers, your ad-libs, whatever, okay? Any extra instruments if you produce your songs like I do, okay? This way all you have to do is turn on the template and just start recording with creativity and inspiration, okay? And by the way, if you want the template that I use on every single song, that every day, I'll put a link below this video for you. All right, go check it out. Well, if you add everything up through this whole series, all of these videos and ideas they have for workflow, it's gonna end up giving you a workflow that actually makes you unstoppable because there's nothing slowing down your workflow. Those moments of inspiration happen more often, and they're also, when they happen, they're not lost, right? You're more creative and you finish more songs, right? So check out the next video for the next tip. Make them little bite-sized videos for you, all right? I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. Make sure you check out the links below. Make sure you check out the Music Industry Shortcut and join thousands of other artists like you. They have resources that you wouldn't have anywhere else, all right? Keep hustling, gang. Make sure you check out my new songs. I'll play one of them over here because I'm an artist just like you, and I don't stop, all right? Keep hustling. I'll see you at the top.
Pause for everything. Whoa, whoa, yes.